how to change column types in monday.com. So first go to monday.com and then go to one of your board. And then here there are only specific columns that where you can change their type. I don't really know which ones there is, but what you can do here is just hover your mouse over one of the columns. For example, this one, notes, you click on the three dots, and then you can see the change column type here. And then there are others that you can really change, for example this one. There are no column type, right? You can't really change the column type. So if you want to change the column type, you can just click on the three dots and then click on change column type here, or hover your mouse over it and then choose which one you're going to change it into. So for example, I'm going to change it into drop down. Click on it and then let's just wait. And then you can just click on keep it, and there you go. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.